Hi guys, I'm Nash and I'm back again with another thrift flip video for you. So, in today's video, I am going to make another thrift flip and it's gonna be really nice. Oh my gosh. Kasi guys, sobrang bored ko na. Tapos na-realize ko that I don't have enough workout clothes and I want workout clothes for me to at least be motivated when I work out. Because I don't want to work out wearing t-shirt and shorts. Parang I'm demotivated. So if I feel like I'm looking good while working out, kahit hindi ka naman tunay na nasunod sa video na dinownload ko, at least I have a set of workout clothes. Then, di ba, ang saya. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did this from this. So guys, let's get into the video. Bye! Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. So guys, here is the before clip of yung track pants, athletic pants. So I got it from an ukay-ukay na 10 pesos all items. And promise guys, I'm gonna make a haul soon. Haul soon. Because dami kong nabili. 10 pesos lang. Parang 150 lang nagastos ko. So, it's like 14, 15 pieces. Remember, 150. 10 times 15. Alam nga namang 10 times 14 yun. Anyway, this is the before. So, my plan, it's really big on me. My plan is just to wear it like that. Kasi uso naman siya eh. But, I realized na hindi ko kayang i-pull off ang ikli ng legs ko. Hindi siya mukhang maganda sa akin. Then, naisip ko, why not make a suit out of it? Like, a set, not a suit, kasi tracksuit siya. So, a set out of it, like a bra and shorts, kasi talagang hindi ko talaga kaya mo-pull off yung pants, na wide leg pants, because ang ikli ng bias ko, ma'am, hindi kaya, hindi bagay. So, I tried to pull off the idea. Feeling ko talaga, kaya ko eh. So, kinaya ko naman, kahit ang liit ng working area. But it's a working area dahil I have decided to put the logo dun sa bra. Pero, it turned out to be successful. So, let's start with the tutorial. So, layer pants like this and decide how long you want the shorts to be. So, I just eyeball it. I wanted to cut it there. Just leave a little bit of allowance for the seams and also allowance for making things wrong. So, once you cut the shorts, set aside that first because we're going to make the top first before making the shorts. Okay, let's do it. So I folded the shorts, making sure that the two sides are pantay. Pero pag kinat, pantay sila. So how long this will be is how long this will be also. So let's proceed to cutting. The shorts, I'm gonna set this aside first because I'm gonna use those two pieces to make the bra. So when you want to make a bra, what you need is to get a triangle bra that fits you well. So this one fits me well, and I'm going to make this my guide to make the bra top. So we're doing 4 triangles like this with this remaining with this remaining cloth. 4 triangles, 2 for the pieces, the front pieces, and 2 for the lining piece. So I want to use this as like a part of the bra. So I'm trying my best to make it as a part of the bra. So that's where I will trace the triangle, and also I'll save this part because that will be the part I'll use for the bralette, the bodies of the bralette. So okay, let's start making triangles. Now that we have 4 pieces together, what we need to do is to sew them together, but right sides each other, kissing each other. So when you sew it all around. Don't sew this part because you're just waiting your time because you're going to attach it here. So it actually, this is optional because if you're not boobsy like me, you can just hem the sides, but me, I need a thicker piece that would cover the boobs. That's why I made it 2 layers. So let's start sewing the sides and then flip it on the right side after. Oops, I almost forgot. I also cut this piece from here, yung snap button part, because I don't have a string, and that is the string that I'm going to use for the bra strap. So find the end and sandwich it here before sewing it. So I'm gonna sandwich it here. So when you flip it, there's gonna be the strap sticking out of the triangle. Now you're done sewing the piece and putting them on the right sides together. So the next part is to attach them here at the bodies. So I want to decide if I want it like this or like this. What's better? Like this, but this might hurt, but I don't care. So attach it here by checking where the middle part is. So I'm marking the middle part. Mark the middle part, and that is where I will. That's the guide I'll use. So of course, when sewing it, oops, sorry for my feet. Put the right sides together. Right sides together. Or maybe I should just top stitch it, right? Right, so it's like here. Diba? Oh, better. I'll just top stitch it. So pin it down and top stitch. Okay. Now that the bra is done, the next problem is the enclosure. If this really fits you, if you're thin enough for this stuff to fit around your bust, then that's fine. Then congratulations, you're not gonna do what I'm gonna do now. So now I'm going to find a way for this to fit me. Maybe some elastics, maybe some string. But first things first is to measure how this would fit me until the back. And after that, I'm gonna try to use some cord. This cord, I'll use it here. So I'm going to make a way where the cord will enter. This one, it already has one, so I'll just open the other side and put the cord in and tie at the back. That's it. Change of plans. What did I just do? Why did I rotate the cam? Change of plans. So what I will try to do is to make some like this, some cords, and sew it here, and sew it also another one, and sew two there also, and that is where you'll lace the cord to close at the back. So the next project is to make the shorts fit. So you see all these lines, we're going to remove 2 inches here also. Here, cut it and remove 2 inches. At the back part, cut it and remove 2 inches, and then sew it all back together. So let's do it. Separate the 2 pieces. I'm going to cut the crotch area and separate it. So now you can see this one. I'm going to reduce 2 inches here. I'll just sew it all the way and also do it to the other back piece and put it back together by just making it a little deeper, this part. Okay. So ayun guys, I hope you learned from the tutorial and be inspired also to buy items from the thrift shop. It's only 10 pesos, but look what happened to it. You can hand sew it. You can start even if you don't have your own sewing machine. It's gonna be very easy if you started lang magtahi-tahi. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something and get inspired to thrift clothes and mag-ipon ng pera. Char, hindi rin ako nakaipon because I always thrift clothes. Or maybe sell the other thrifted clothes you got na na-wear nyo na. And also, guys, if you're new here, please click the subscribe button and also follow me on all my social media accounts. It's at Queen Nash Rapi, Instagram and Twitter at Queen Nash Rapi. So I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!